Today we're doing an installation video for RCS 8-foot kitchen display, and I have Nicolette here going to be helping me to do the installation. We're going to start off by installing the rear panel to the side panel. Everything is individually marked. It'll say rear panel, and this will say left panel. You're going to see the side panel interlocks with the rear panel. It's a recessed area, and you're going to match the letters A to A, and you're going to install 3 screws down the side panel here. Now you're going to take the other side panel, interlock it, and we're going to repeat fastening steps. Now we're going to take our front panel, matching letters A to A and using the A labeled screws. And we're going to repeat fastening steps. Once all your sides and fronts are screwed in, you're going to take your corner posts. As you can see here, we have screws to bump the corners out. So once this is installed here, you're going to take your green screws that are labeled corner screws with your hex head, and you're going to screw these corners from the inside. You're going to repeat these steps throughout the whole rest of the kitchen. Once all your corners are put on, you're going to grab your crossbars, which are labeled letter C, screws that are labeled C as well, and you're going to use a 5/16 hex head tip. Along the kitchen, they'll all be labeled the letter C as well. You're going to be matching the letters C to C. Once your cross brackets are on, you're going to see this little white board on the bottom. When you have a refrigerator or ice maker, you'll be removing that. That's just for shipping so everything doesn't wrap. Brackets are on, you're going to dab some silicone around the edges and then apply your countertop. We just completed our 8-foot Renaissance kit. Thanks to the help of Nicolette and our ProFit team. This is in our black ProFit decking and our white granite. Installation should go together in about 45 minutes.